Hello everyone, this is Bhadraiwala and today I will be doing question that is from Physics chapter 1 Units and Measurement from class 11. This is question I thought it's very interesting so I'm doing it today. So let's read the question. If the centripetal force is of the form m is to power a, b is to power b, r is to power c, find the values of a, b and c. So it's telling us to find the powers of MVR. So equation we can make is it's a force, so F is equal to ma vb and rc. So let's convert this to the dimension form. So F is equal to ma, and m's dimensional form is 1 m, and a's dimensional form, acceleration's dimensional form, is going to be lt minus 2. Now close this, and now let's convert these mvr into dimension. Although these MVR's units are not described in this question, but we can write them. So M is going to be mass. So write M and close and write A. And write V. V is velocity, so write LT minus 1, close bracket, and write power to the B. Now R is radius. So radius is also a length, and if you don't know how to know the units like mlt, mass, length, time, then you can just know it by, so let's say for radius has nothing to do with time nor with mass, because it is to find areas or something, so it's definitely related to length, so it's going to be length. So write length here to the power of c. Now we're going to power this now on everything. It was out of bracket, but now we're gonna put, so it's going to be m is to power of a multiplied this small dot what is it, means to multiply. So lt, so you have to multiply the l and t with the power of b, so it's going to be l is to power b and t is to power of minus b, because here it says minus 1. Now multiplied by l is to power c. Okay, now we got this in dimensional form almost. Now all you have to do is to basically attach this L and this L together, because we have to merge them together if it's dimension form, if you have same unit somewhere. So m is to power a won't change, multiplied by, so now this and this will be same, so it's going to be L, right, L, but the power, so it's a basic math rule. If you multiply the number, and if you multiply the number, then its power going to get, will be getting addition. So you don't multiply b and c, but rather you add b and c, so it's going to be b plus c in this case. It's very hard to write this, b plus c. Now and t to the power of minus b. Now this is the dimensional form we just made, so let's zoom out a bit and then put a line here. So this is the dimensional form of m l t minus 2. Let's write 1 here as well, so that is going to be easier for us to understand. Okay, now we have to compare both and substitute the values. So for A, we compare, so in LHS, A's value is 1, because on LHS the M is to power 1, in the question it says M is to power A, so A will be 1, because the LHS and RHS must be equal if it's in the dimensional form it's comparing. So it's going to be A, so A is equal to A, A is equal to 1. Now after that, from LHS L. So in LHS, L, uh, L's power is equal to also RHS, so RHS B plus C will be 1. So we know that B plus C is going to be 1, right? Now next, C. For C, uh, okay, actually not C, I think. Since C is included in the middle one, we have to do with the B again, right? So B is 1 in LHS. First, see the equation they've given. So V is to power B, right? Um, just see in the here. Here it says T is to power of minus B. So on the LHS as well, it says T is to power of minus 2. So B is going to be minus 2. But it's minus B here, so it's going to be minus B. So it's going to be just 2 here. So now, since we know A and B, what we do is B plus C, okay. So since we know the B, so we have to substitute in this thing. So B is equal to 2 plus C is equal to 1. So by basic math rule, you just do minus 1 plus, sorry, minus 1. Oh, you don't do anything, you just do, so 2 minus 1 is 1, so C will equal to minus 1. So this is the answer, guys. So uh, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to minus 1. So hence it's proved as LHS of M1 L1 t to the minus 2. So thank you guys. I hope this explanation helped, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.